This video is about the Charts and Graphs tab of our Google Sheets training. So it's telling us to make a line chart of the following student grades and to show each grade on the bar. So the grades are located in this column. So I'm going to go ahead and select this column and come over here to insert a chart. And wow, that was fast. So I can pull this chart over and move it wherever I want. And since it is still highlighted, I can come over here under Setup Chart. This is a column chart, not technically a line chart. I could very, very easily change it to different types of charts, such as bar, line, pie, what have you. The directions asked for a line chart. So here we go, given that. And if we scroll down, we can use column B as labels, which these would be the labels that we want. So let's go over to customize. And again, we can change the chart style. Really customize it however you should customize it however you want it. We have a font here for our chart style. We have a border color. And that's just the outside, the periphery here. All these things are customizable. So edit the chart. So here's our text that says grade over here. So I could change the font to that. I could change the font size. I will bold it here. Text color can be changed as well, even though I don't really like that. And let's talk about the series here. So we have this line color here for the grade, and I can change that to a better color. I can make it opaque. I can make it a dash, a dot, what have you. I will make it thicker. Okay. And let's see. Here are our data labels. So this is what it asked for here, where it says show each grade on the bar. So that's now complete. And we can go through and just change whatever you'd like. We have the horizontal axis, that color can be changed. And same here with your vertical grid lines and ticks. I will put in some ticks here. Not that that makes a major difference. And that's about it for the chart editing. So when I close that up and I come and look at this chart again, I have 3 dots here. So this chart again can be resized, it can be moved around. But what it can also do is I can download it as a PDF or an image file. And I can also publish the chart. So I can grab a link and put it into a document. I can also embed it into a website. Again, with the 3 dots, I can copy or move it to its own sheet. So it would come down here, it would create its own sheet down here. But let's just talk about copying the chart for a second. So if I go to a Google slide and let's say I want to share this information in a presentation, I can say, well, let's insert a chart from Sheets and select the one I'm working on. It will offer me, because there's only one chart currently in that Google Sheet, it will offer me this to import. So I'm going to go ahead and say, yeah, let's do that. And what's important to notice here is it is linked. So if I were to make changes to the information here, let's make this 100. Not only does it change right here, but it will also change here. So you have the option to update. So let's see. So we know that it is a linked chart. So this is kind of like live data. If that were too risky, let's say I wanted to present something that I knew that data was specific to what I was talking about, I may choose to unlink it, especially if it were feeding from a Google form where that information could change on the fly. So, yeah, what else? Yeah, so that's how we make charts and graphs with our data sheet. Thanks.